Previously on Yomawari.
Jesus.
Car gone?
Go in that bush right there.
Can you not move?
No.
Oh, fuck.
'Cause I don't like that. Okay, we're just gonna have to go. We'll go to the chicken coop, I guess. Oh, no, we're not. Get away from me. Get away from me. What was that?
That was a backpack, but I assume something evil's carrying it. Maybe?
Can I not go in there?
I guess not.
Oh, we can't hide these spot. Oh, another you want to? Yeah, let's save actually. Let's save right here. Okay, we got 2 left. Okay. I'm gonna explore all over here for. Well, actually, no, it was by the school, so let's hurry up and go this way.